PRTG stock analysis and PRTG stock prediction. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Portage biotech stock, thing blew up 126% up, and 15-minute chart looks probably quite bearish, but like zoom out and observe. Just look at it, you know, just observe. That's kind of like the key here. We've been going very bearish, and then out of nowhere, last week we've gone up 190-ish% up, and only 3 days in. So that's interesting. Officially, it's going to be a full candle, full trend shift if there is a second break above $8. So hopefully for the next 2 trading days we stay above there. But there's nothing stopping me from doubling down on this bullish momentum, and I would love to see is the price to give me a decent double break. And that's it. You know, if there is a decent accumulation, there's why would there be something, you know, stopping me from taking it even higher? So I'll just be waiting for sure. You know, I would not be forcing stuff. If you want to learn to achieve long-term consistent income without fear, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.